Colorful, juicy, tasty, and power-packed, raspberries are one of the most popular fruits around the world. Rich in antioxidants. Raspberries come in two colors, black and red, and have nutritional benefits that help the body fight various diseases and also to keep it young. Love raspberries but can't always find them fresh? Stock up on dried raspberries. They're just as nutritious and perfect for sprinkling on cereals, topping pastries, or mixing into yogurt. You can even soak them in water to revive their fresh flavor. For a quick, healthy snack, dried raspberries are hard to beat. A cup of dried raspberries, 123 grams, has just 63 calories and is rich in vitamin C, 54% of the RDI, manganese, 41% of the RDI, vitamin K, 12% of the RDI, and other essential minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and copper. A cup of raspberries has about 8 grams of fiber and 14.7 grams of carbs. Raspberries are rich in antioxidants, thanks to the flavonoid compounds in it. Antioxidants are essential compounds in fighting various diseases and slowing down cell degeneration. They also protect enzymes, fats, and vitamins in the body. The antioxidants that raspberries have include ellagic acid, vitamin C, catechins, etc. Let's look at what these berries can do to your health. 1. Boosts brain. A daily diet of raspberries is especially beneficial for children and the elderly due to their neuroprotective effects. Rich in flavonoids, raspberries help protect neurons, reduce brain inflammation, and enhance memory, learning, and cognitive function. This makes them particularly valuable for brain health in conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, and during early brain development in children. 2. Fights cancer and chronic diseases. Berries in general are a good source of antioxidants that is capable of fighting various types of cancer. Raspberries are rich in antioxidant vitamin C, which is a perfect armor against esophageal cancer, the 10th most common malignancy, and the 8th leading cause of cancer-related deaths worldwide. Berries are also rich in phytochemicals called ellagic acid, which can fight various types of cancers like cancers of the breast, lung, and skin. What more? Raspberries are also a good source of fiber, which helps prevent colorectal cancer. 3. Blood sugar. Berries for breakfast seems to be the right approach to controlling the blood sugar levels. Berries are low in calories and high in polyphenols, which is the right prescription to regulate blood sugar after meals or postprandial hyperglycemia. Berries are also rich in dietary fiber, which, the studies show, is beneficial in the treatment of type 2 diabetes. 4. Anti-aging. Who wouldn't want to stay young and healthy longer? Exposure to the sun can damage your skin faster. Studies show antioxidants can prevent signs of photo-induced aging like pigmentation. Raspberries are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and ellagic acid that slow down the aging process by reducing the oxidative stress in the body. The compound anthocyanins responsible for the red color of certain raspberries also has antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. All these properties make raspberries a go-to anti-aging agent. 5. Improves eyesight. Enough can't be said about the health benefits of antioxidants in raspberries. Here's one more to add to the list. They keep your eyes healthy. Raspberries have an antioxidant called zeaxanthine that's primarily responsible for it because it can prevent the damage to the eyes caused by UV radiation. They help in warding off macular damage caused by UV exposure. 6. Gut. To keep your gut healthy, include fiber-rich foods like raspberries in your diet. The soluble fiber in raspberries slows digestion, allowing better nutrient absorption and keeping you full longer. Fiber also supports regular bowel movements, preventing constipation, and is crucial for a healthy gut microbiota, which aids digestion and helps protect against colon cancer. Raspberries are an excellent fruit to add to your diet for many reasons. And they are tasty and abundantly available, too. Store them at home easily by dehydrating them so you can include raspberries in your diet every day.